friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch wrapped in Christmas lights, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to start with his head tilted on a diagonal towards the bottom right. So we're going to get started with the nose. We're going to draw in an arch line, bringing that down on the right. Now directly underneath, we're going to curve that back through, and then we're going to bring that back up on the right hand side. Let's draw on his nostrils. We're going to leave a gap from the center. We're going to bring this line up and through towards the left. We're going to leave a gap again coming across on the right, and we're just going to mirror that. And then now from here, we can just color in his nostrils black. Let's add in some detailed lines up above. So right above here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's come across and draw in the pupil. So we're going to start with the point beside here. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to curve this line all the way around, and then we're going to connect that back in the corner. We're going to come up on a diagonal on the left and just replicate that, drawing that at the same size. Now from here, moving up above, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal right on the top for the highlight of the eye. And then again, we're just going to color in the pupil black. And of course, if you're using a pencil to do this, just skip this part and you can do it at the very end when you're coloring in your stitch. Let's frame in the shape of the head now. So we're going to come up above the eye, and we're going to curve this line up, bringing that out, getting wider at the base as we curve that in towards the bottom. And we're going to come through on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that, bringing that over and in on the side. Now let's close off Stitch's chin. So we're just going to close this off with a curved line on the bottom from left to right. Connecting that back together. Let's move in on the top now. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We're going to do the same on the right, and we're just going to leave a gap right in the center here. We're going to come up above now and draw in the tuft of hair. So we're just going to curve this line up and then back in. We're going to curve this line over and then down. And then one last time, arching this through and then back down towards the top. Let's frame it around the eyes now. So coming up above, starting from the top here, we're going to curve this around, bringing this down beside the eye. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side. And now coming through underneath, starting from the inside corner, we're going to curve this around and through on the side, closing off around our eye. Let's move down now for the mouth. We're going to draw on a small diagonal line coming down below the nose. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and out towards the side. And then we're going to flip across on the right-hand side, replicating that. And then we're just going to draw in a small corner bracket. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth now. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line from that corner, bringing this all the way through and up on the side. Underneath, we're going to arch this line up on the left and right hand side just to close off that patch on the chin. And now from here, let's draw on the teeth. So coming up, we're going to leave a gap in the center, and we're going to draw in a small upside down triangle on the left and right hand side. Let's move beside this now, and we're going to make this even bigger. So we're going to draw in another triangle, just making that larger. And then again, moving over, we're going to replicate that, making this one smaller this time. And then again, one more time, just making this even smaller, tucking that in towards the corner. Let's move down now. We're going to flip it in the opposite direction. So starting underneath, we're going to leave another gap, and we're going to draw in another triangle on the left and right hand side. And then leaving a gap again, coming across, we're going to make this one slightly smaller. Moving over again, drawing in another small triangle. And now in the center, let's just draw in a nice big arch line for our tongue. We're going to draw in all the Christmas lights wrapping around the body after, so we're just going to focus strictly on the body right now. So let's come over and we're going to do the ears. So starting over on this left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, around, and over. We're going to tuck this line down, so we're going to curve this through, rounding that out. We're going to draw in a sideways letter V for the cutout in the ear. And then now from here, starting from that corner, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the side. On the bottom here, we're going to curve this line in towards that line on the top. And then for the top of the ear, we're just going to arch this line up and across. Let's focus on the right ear now. So stepping down, we're going to curve this line up, curving that through and out. We're going to start back on this line, arching this line around and tucking that in. We're going to draw in another sideways letter V. And then from that corner again, just curving this line over and through towards the side of the head. Stepping down now from that corner, we're just going to curve this line over, closing off the bottom of the ear. And then for the top, just curving this around and back through. Let's come down for the body now. So on both sides, we're going to arch this line in for the outside portion of the arm. And then we're going to step in towards the middle, replicating that again. So we're just going to curve this line out, ending that at roughly the same height. Now let's tuck this over on the inside. So we're going to, again, from that corner, curve this line down, and we're going to, again, just leave a gap right in the center. Let's do the same thing as we move out. We're going to curve this line around and down, tucking that in. Now from here for the hand, we're going to curve this line up for the thumb. Moving across, arching this around, tucking that back in. Again, moving over, let's replicate that. And then again, one last time, curving this around and connecting that towards that outside line. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in a curved line on the bottom of each one as we come across to the right. Now underneath, let's close off the bottom of the body, drawing in a curved line from left to right. Let's move out for the outside portion of the body, starting lower on this line. We're going to curve this line out towards the side, and then we're just going to replicate that on the right. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small tuft of hair here. So we're going to bring this line out and then back in. And then we're going to do the same thing, moving underneath, arching that around, and then back up. So let's come across and draw in Stitch's feet now. We're going to move beside the arms, and we're just going to draw in the letter U on a slight diagonal, bringing that out towards the side. Now on the inside, let's curve this line around and down. Starting from the corner again, curving this up and through towards the center. Again, moving over, curving this around and then back in. And then again, one last time, curving this around and back through towards the side. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And now in each open space, like we did for the hand, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's close off the legs now. So from that corner, we're just going to curve this line down, bending that leg. And then moving underneath, we're going to arch that line in towards the hands. So now we're going to come through and we're going to draw on the Christmas lights. We're going to start with all of the strings sort of crisscrossing across the body. So we're going to start on the top here and we're going to curve this line across, bringing that in. Let's start back on the top here. We're going to curve this line around and down. And then again, moving up, we're going to curve this line up, down, around, and we're going to bring that through towards the chin. Let's step over on the left-hand side now. We're going to again move up, curving this around and through. We're going to move down now, and we're going to arch this line around, up and in. And then again from the top here, curving this down, around, and underneath our ear. Let's move down across the body here, starting underneath the chin. We're going to bring this line over, across, and back in on the side. We're going to flip underneath, bringing this across on a diagonal and through, wrapping around the arm. Let's bring this one down on a diagonal, curving that over. Now from here, we're going to start back on a diagonal, arching this around and then in underneath the arm. And then on the left-hand side here, we're just going to curve this line around, across our arm, our leg, bringing that in behind the torso. And then again, we're just going to arch another line, wrapping that around and then back in towards the back. And now let's add in the light bulbs as we come across all of these strings. So we're going to start on the top here. We're going to draw in a small square. And then we're just going to draw in the shape of the light bulb, bringing this around and in. We're going to move across. This one's going to be behind the head. So we're just going to curve this back, around, down, and then in, falling behind. Let's move across again, bringing this around, up, down, and then in. We're going to draw in another light bulb on the right hand side here in the middle of the ear. So we're going to draw in another square. And then we're going to move up above, drawing in the shape of the light bulb again. Now let's move down. Let's draw in another square. And then again, just drawing in the light bulbs, bringing this around, tapering that in at the top, curving that back in through towards the bottom. Let's come underneath now again, drawing in another square over here. And then again, another light bulb, wider at the base, thinner at the top, tucking that back in as we fall around. Let's come over on the right here, another small triangle. And then again, another light bulb coming around. Let's move up. Let's draw our light bulb over here. We're going to draw in another square. And then we're going to, again, draw in a light bulb up above. Let's come down, drawing in one here. So again, our square. And then drawing in that light bulb on a diagonal. We're going to draw one on the left-hand side here. So again, a little square on that curved line. And then again, just drawing in those Christmas lights. And let's move over. We'll draw one here on a diagonal. Let's add one more in the arm here on the left-hand side. So we're going to bring this line up for that square. And then again, drawing in the Christmas lights. And then we'll do one more on the right-hand side here. Let's draw in our last one over here. So where we have the small curved line, we're going to draw in another square. And then again, just drawing in the shape of that light bulb. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch wrapped up in Christmas lights. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.